Hey guys, so today we're going to be making coconut rice. So I started heating up my pan, and right here I do have some coconut oil. I have a green onion. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook until it becomes a nice golden brown, so it picks up some color. So I've been frying my onion for about 2 minutes. It has a nice brown color. I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. I'm just gonna go ahead and fry the rice. You just want to toss it to make sure everything is well combined, and also you're getting all of that coconut oil all over the rice. Okay, so I've been cooking my rice for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add my water. And I have some salt that's been sitting in some coconut oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit some water to that. Stir it and add that inside of our coconut rice. And just go ahead and stir. And we're gonna bring this to a boil. We want the water to boil until you can see the rice. And you can also taste the liquid just to see if it's salty enough. And I think I'll add a little more salt. I have a teaspoon of coconut butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil until we can see the rice. And then I'm gonna turn the heat down and let it steam. So once I bring this to a boil, I'll be right back. So in order for the rice to steam and not get soggy, you need to make sure most of the liquid is out. So if you pull it from the sides and you still see all of that liquid, you need to make sure you cook it until you pretty much can't see any. Alright, so most of the water has left from the pot. I'm going to go ahead and start steaming. I'm going to put over aluminum foil and then put on the top. The tighter the lid is on it, the better it is to steam. And we're just gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. So in the meantime, while our rice is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and toast some coconut flakes. So I have the coconut flakes right here. This is an oven safe pan. I'm gonna go ahead and broil this for about a minute, and we're gonna add this to our rice. So I finished my coconut flakes. I'm just gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of sugar, and we're gonna add this to our rice. So you can just go ahead and toss it together. All right, so our rice is looking pretty good. Just take a fork and fluff it and make sure you see no liquid on the bottom. That means it's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut flakes. And a little bit of salt. Just remove the green onion. We don't need it no more. Another teaspoon of coconut oil. Some cilantro. we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.